All right, well, got both diffs out. Is it 30? Or is it 30? Yes. Okay. So, got the diff out. Right? It's not there. It's right there. So, the difference between a manual one, a manual diff, and an automatic diff, God, you just come off, is that has 3. It's a 3 flange. And then this is a 3 hole. And this is a 4 hole. The manual ones have 4 bolts to the drive shaft. And yeah, so you gotta take this out. As you can see, I already grinded that one down. Grinded down quite a bit actually, but swap it out. And then, so welded, not welded, not yet. All right, well, I'm gonna take it out. And the hammer time. And then this time, I know this is gonna have some fluid in it, so yeah. Maybe I should invest in a puller tool. I'll do it on the ground so that, you know, to show. No, damn, oh, the fluid. Save it. Well, not the fluid, the thing. Ugh. Oh, man. What a mess. Damn it. All right, hold on, I'll clean that real quick. All right, cleaned it as much as I can. Brake cleaner is not only just for brakes, it's for cleaners. Anyways, this is off. The manual one is, and just, you know, slide it in. And then you take a hammer and then you just pound it in. You gotta go like all 4 corners, you know, kind of like, hey, oh, you know it's going. And then you know it's seated when it's seated. All right, that's enough of that. And then you take this and then you put it back on. Weld the diff. And then you just zap it down. What? Welded. There's my feet. Should be a foot model. I put so much feet in my things. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. think a couple Ugga Duggas should have been good, but just to make sure, I guess. All right, cool. This diff can officially go in to that car. Oh, also, the one thing I want to talk to you about what the difference between an automatic diff and a manual diff is, besides the flanges, is the work. It's just the work. Okay, well, I don't know if I'll continue this tonight or continue tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I'm tired. Alright. Next day, I didn't get to do anything else from last night, but that's gonna go in the car. So that's today's plan. So yeah, let's do it. So in the process of putting the diff, I don't know why I make my life so much harder, but yeah, I could totally use a jack. I'm trying to muscle it through there, or in there. Hashtag gym time. I think I could get it. Just gotta put these bushing covers on. It's heavy. Oh. Come on, Dilly Bush. Come on, boy. Is it on you? It's on. Oh. Well, the diff is on the car. Oh, the diff is on the car. There you go. The diff is in. I don't know if it's too dark. Mini GoPro. So it's in. Yay. Now it's gotta button up the rest and I'll put it back. And then maybe I can do suspension things over there. Yeah. But put this back and yeah, put it back. Alright, so I put the sway bar back on, the exhaust just up to this point, and then I put the brace back on, but I tightened everything. I still have to add fluid in the diff, but since I'm back here, I might as well install the gktech diff brace. Yay. And then put that on. There's a lot of tutorials on it, so I'll just zip through this one. So it's nighttime now, and because when I put the brace on, and then I was like, oh, cool, it's on. Let's put some fluid in. Nope, it blocks it. Where is it? It blocks the fill plug. So what I do, take it apart again, and then put it back, and then put fluid in. And it took me a little bit because I couldn't find that pump right there, but I was trying to like put this end in that hose and then just squeezing it, and it just took so long. So I eventually found the pump because I knew I had it, because I did transmission, so I knew I had a pump. So yeah, now it's on. Now it's gonna button it up. Let's put the exhaust ends back on, and yeah, I couldn't get to that. Maybe I'll get it till later. I'm gonna go eat dinner. All right.